Managing your tax information is easy and convenient through MyDORWAY. This tutorial will walk you through the basics of managing your action items, contact information, email preferences, and banking info on MyDORWAY. To get started, log in to your MyDORWAY account. The front page of your MyDORWAY account contains tabs at the top. The Accounts tab lists all tax accounts you currently have access to, which are listed in panels, as well as different options to those tax accounts. Outstanding balances will be listed within these panels, as well as any tax-specific Action Center items that need to be performed. To see a list of Action Center items for all of your tax accounts, click the Action Center tab at the top. The Action Center tab allows you to view outstanding action items across all accounts, which are also grouped into panels. Outstanding Action Center items include letters and messages, balances due, and returns that need to be filed. Click the links within each panel to perform the outstanding action items. The Settings tab at the top allows you to change certain account settings for each of your tax types. The mail delivery setting in the first panel will show you the preferred way you receive notices sent by the SCDOR. By default, we post most letters and notices to your MyDORWAY account, so they get to you faster and won't get lost in the mail. We highly recommend this option. However, if you would like to receive your notices and letters through mail, click the link next to Mail Delivery. Choose the Mail option in the list and click Save to save your preference. By default, you'll receive a nightly email when you have received correspondence from the SCDOR. If we send you more than one letter in a day, you will only receive one email to notify you of all the letters from that day. You can change this option for all tax accounts by clicking the Notify Me of New Mail link in the first panel. You may also specify notifications for specific tax types by changing the option individually in the tax panels. Click the default payment channel link in the tax panels if you would like to set up a specific payment channel for your tax payments. This will only work for payments made from a bank account. Credit and debit cards cannot be set as default payment types. Any previous bank accounts you have made payments from will be listed. Choose the Set as Default link to set it as a default payment channel. If you haven't made payments from a bank account or would like to add a new bank, click the Set Up New Bank Account link. Enter your banking information and click Save. Click the More tab at the top to see more MyDORWAY account options. There may be different options here unique to the taxes you have access to. The Submission panel allows you to check the status of previously submitted returns and payments. The Correspondence panel includes options that allow you to send SCDOR a message, view messages, and view letters that you have received from the SCDOR. The Upload Requested Documents link will allow you to upload certain electronic documents that the SCDOR has requested from you. Only certain documents are eligible for upload responses. You may also access this option without logging into MyDORWAY from the MyDORWAY logon page. If your requested documents can be uploaded using this tool, your notice requesting the documents will have instructions for uploading the document. The More tab also displays options for managing payments and returns, names and addresses, modifying account access, and a panel for other useful links. Click the Manage My Profile link at the top to modify your MyDORWAY profile information. The Profile tab contains a Profile panel and a Security panel. The Profile panel contains your name, email address, and current phone number. Click the links under each item to update them if necessary. Keep a few things in mind when updating these items. Updating your name here only changes your contact information. This will not update your business information like DBA names. If you aren't receiving email notifications from the SCDOR, check to see that you're using a current email address. The Security panel allows you to change security settings for your MyDORWAY profile. Click the links under each item to change your password and update your current security question. Click the Change Two-Step Settings link to change your default two-step authorization settings. These include whether you would like to receive a code through email, phone number, or authorization app. Click the Action Center tab to see any profile-specific action items. Profile-specific messages will be listed here, such as system messages regarding profile updates that have occurred. Click the More tab to see other profile-specific options. Profile-specific options under the More tab here include things like managing user access, managing settings for additional logons, adding payment channels, viewing submissions, and viewing activity that has occurred on your MyDORWAY profile. For more information about MyDORWAY, including tutorials and how to sign up, visit dor.sc.gov/MyDORWAY. Thanks for watching.